Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the ASI part number 10-9012-21009. This is the safety strap assembly. I've been beguiled. Here we go. For their 9012 baby changing station. Okay. Obviously adjustable. Let's take some basic dimensional properties so that you can determine by that if this is the proper unit for your application. I'm sure that that changing station is going to say ASI on it. You'll be able to visually identify it. Overall length of the coated part of the nylon strap is about 9 inch. A couple of brass rivet points there. Overall width is about 15/16. Total length at its extended portion (24 3/8). And again, your connector. There is a link below this video to the 9012 itself where you can review that product in terms of what it looks like in full. There's also a link to the parts drawing for the item. On the original item itself, there is then a link to the available products for the 9012 altogether. Back on the page that we're looking at, there's a cut sheet, again for the 9012, the complete baby changing station. And then there's the parts list that is listed there. And that is just a document produced from the manufacturer that gives a list of part numbers available for it. In the full set of the cut sheet, there's not an exploded parts drawing. Let's take a look. Which would, of course, be helpful in determining other parts that you might need. But that parts list gives plain, what you need in plain language in terms of different parts that would work with the 9012. And that is all on page 1 of that document. Bed table, wall mount, retainer, extrusion clip, etc., wipes, door, rear cover. We're looking at the 21009. So strap assembly. Everything there should be fairly easily understood in terms of what it's describing. If you have a part and you're not sure what to call it, email us a photograph of it and we will identify what you need. I would think if you're doing the replacement strap assembly, you might need the rivets. The gas spring is not unusual to sell for those items. Enough use or maybe some vandalism would require a replacement of a gas spring eventually. Labels that would be there as well, etc. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the ASI products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the ASI, this is their part number 10-9012-21009 safety strap assembly for the 9012 baby changing station or any other ASI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.